Cargo ships. These vessels transport goods and cargo across the oceans. They come in various sizes and types, including container ships, bulk carriers, and oil tankers. Passenger ships. Passenger ships are designed for the transportation of people. This category includes cruise ships, ferries, and ocean liners. Fishing vessels. These are used for commercial fishing operations, and they come in various sizes and types, from small trawlers to large factory ships. Research vessels. Research ships are equipped with scientific instruments and laboratories for conducting oceanographic, geological, and marine biology research. Military ships. These vessels are used by navies for defense and strategic purposes. They include aircraft carriers, destroyers, submarines, and more. Tugboats. Tugboats are powerful boats used to tow or push other vessels, especially in ports and narrow waterways. Yachts and pleasure boats. These are recreational vessels used for leisure and sport. They range from small sailboats and powerboats to luxurious superyachts. Specialized vessels. There are many specialized ships designed for specific tasks, such as icebreakers for navigating in icy waters, dredgers for clearing waterways, and offshore drilling rigs for oil and gas exploration. Container ships. These are a type of cargo ship designed specifically for transporting standardized cargo containers. They are crucial for global trade and logistics. Oil tankers. Tankers are designed for transporting liquid cargo, primarily crude oil and petroleum products. LNG carriers. LNG, liquefied natural gas, carriers are specialized vessels used to transport natural gas in a liquefied form. Ro-ro ships. Roll-on, roll-off ships are used for transporting wheeled cargo like cars and trucks, which can be driven on and off the ship via ramps. Container roll-on, roll-off ships, CONRO. These vessels combine the features of container ships and ro-ro ships, making them suitable for both containerized and wheeled cargo. Ships come in various shapes and sizes, and they are designed to meet specific operational requirements, depending on their intended use in the conditions they will encounter at sea. Advances in shipbuilding technology have led to the construction of larger and more specialized vessels over time, reflecting the ever-evolving needs of global trade and industry.